Occasionally, we have customers who return their steam cleaner to us for repair when it actually is working properly. Today I want to give you a few tips on how to get the most out of your machine, starting with making sure it's operating properly. When you turn the unit on, we know that the blue light indicates that the steam is ready to go, and the two vacuum lights means that you have 2 speeds of vacuum ready to work. However, sometimes we pull the trigger, we hear the unit clicking, but no steam comes out. The first thing you want to check is to check the variable steam valve. This valve allows you to control the amount of steam that comes out when you pull the trigger. So we'll pull the trigger, I'll turn the valve. So the first step, check the pressure valve, okay? The second thing you want to do is, again, the lights are all indicating that the unit is ready to go. You pull the trigger and it doesn't move. What you want to do is you want to check to make sure that this safety valve is pushed all the way to the left-hand side. You push to the left, pull the trigger, we're good to go. Now the next couple hints relate to using the vacuum. It's very common for people to try to turn the vacuum on by pushing the fan indicator on the handle. And there you can see I'm pushing it, nothing happens. Well, that's because that's not the control button. The control button is actually the one below it with, looks like a bullseye with the little dot on it. If I push that, the vacuum goes on and off. You can also change speeds with this button by pressing it and holding it for a brief second or two. So we'll turn it on, then I'll change the speed and you'll hear the sound of the motor change. Now I'll turn it off. All right, the last question I want to cover involves the vacuum and the number of speeds when you have steam on and steam off. Now currently we have the steam on. When you have the steam on, please remember you're only limited to 2 speeds. When you turn the steam off, you'll get to 3 speeds. And the reason is the boiler has to consume a lot of that power that would be used for the 3rd speed. Now I'll show you how this works. What I'm going to do is I'm going to shut the steam off, turn the vacuum on, and then I'll show you how to turn the vacuum on using the handle and then how to change speeds, and you'll hear all 3 different speeds. So we'll turn it on. Now we'll hold the button to change the speed. Now we're on high speed, lower, and low speed. The Clean Machine is an amazing unit with high quality precision parts. If you think it's not working properly, don't panic. Take a second to check the manual for the list of things for you to run through to make sure it's working properly. You can always give customer service a call. Remember, most of the time it's a simple issue, like making sure the steam valve is open or pushing the right button on the handle. Keep these things in mind and you'll get the most out of your Clean Machine.